guys, I'm Jasmine and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make for you my favorite strawberry banana smoothie. And I want to share this because this is a smoothie that I love and my boy loves it too. It's healthy and it's satisfying and it's just really good. It kind of tastes like dessert. This recipe is adapted from the Nourishing Traditions cookbook. This is the cookbook for children and it's by Sally Fallon Morell, head of the Weston A. Price Foundation. I'm not 100% Weston A. Price, but I do like their ideas. I get a lot of information from their website and I would definitely recommend checking it out. So today we're going to do the strawberry banana smoothie. And I'm going to do it a little bit different from the recipe in the book. I'm going to add some yogurt, and we have some milk here. So I'm just going to start with some milk. We usually use whole raw milk. I'm going to add some yogurt. This is a whole milk plain yogurt. It's about good. And then I have some frozen strawberries and bananas. And sometimes I like to add some other things like goji berries. I crush them up in my coffee grinder so that they're really fine, and you don't really taste them, but it adds some extra nutrition. They're really high in vitamin C, and it also makes the smoothie extra pink, so it's a really pretty color. Okay, so I've got a bunch of organic frozen strawberries and about one frozen banana. And I like to add just a tiny bit of vanilla. This makes it taste more like a milkshake instead of a smoothie. And I love that. If I had some heavy cream, I would add that because I love the way the cream makes it rich and really satisfying. But I don't have any right now, so that's okay. I'm going to add one egg yolk. Sometimes I add two. Just make sure it's fresh eggs. And then a tiny bit of maple syrup. So about a spoonful. Okay. And then we'll just put the lid on here and blend it up. Okay, and that's it. Really easy, really fast, and this is a great breakfast for kids, for me, for my husband. It's super good. Don't worry about that. You want to try it? This is my boy. I don't know if you can see him, but yeah, that's him. And he loves smoothies. Alright. We'll see you guys, and feel free to comment and let me know what you think. If you try it, let me know what you think, okay? Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't really give you exact, amounts or measurements, but you can kind of just estimate it and guess and, see how it goes. Alright, bye guys.